how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off restricted mode on your YouTube. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your YouTube application. So once you open it, you need to go to your profile in the bottom right corner and go to the gear icon in the top right. So there you need to head over to general, and there you can see restricted mode. So if it is on, you just need to tap on it and toggle it off. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.